sinful nature. For all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. Romans 3:23. If we say we have no sin, we deceive ourselves, and the truth is not in us. 1 John 1:8. Therefore, just as sin came into the world through one man, and death through sin, and so death spread to all men because all sinned. Romans 5:12. For the desires of the flesh are against the Spirit, and the desires of the Spirit are against the flesh. For these are opposed to each other to keep you from doing the things you want to do. Galatians 5:17. The heart is deceitful above all things and desperately sick. Who can understand it? Jeremiah 17:9. For I know that nothing good dwells in me, that is, in my flesh. For I have the desire to do what is right, but not the ability to carry it out. Romans 7:18. Among whom we all once lived in the passions of our flesh, carrying out the desires of the body and the mind, and were by nature children of wrath like the rest of mankind. Ephesians 2:3.